Okay, let's start with this. On project details, as you see, all the highlighted in green, all the fields highlighted in green are the pre-selected information that we took from Aurora. So roof shape, as you see, it's a monoslope. Roof slope, we took from Aurora. The building height, we took from Aurora as well. Risk category, wind exposure, as well the project address, wind speed, etc. The rest of the things. One of the first field that K2 code we ask you to complete, it's the roof covering. In this case, we're gonna use comp shingle, and then we're gonna go straight to select our materials. I'm gonna select my rail type. In this case, we have Crossrail 44X. I'm gonna use it, but K2 quote will give you the options to select 44X Max, 48X, or 40XL. Let's select 44X, and then it will give me the rail lengths available with this type of rail. I'm gonna select 172 inches. Rail finish, I can do dark or mill. Let's do dark. Clamp color, same thing. And then I will see the options that I have with using the end clamps. So let's do cross clamp and my cross clamp for mid clamp as well. Then it's the mounting options. In here, it will ask you if you want to go straight rafter or deck. So if you click rafter or deck, it will give you all the attachments that you can install, using the deck mount option. If you select rafter, it will be the same story. So let's do the multi-mount. Once I select the multi-mount as my attachment, it will pop out the fastener that I want to use. So in this case, I will select the screw number 14. The next step the next section is the engine results. All these results are based on my design parameters that I already pre-select in this section. So let's do this. So as you see, I already have the rail type that I selected, the attachment or the anchor, and the roof space, the attachment spacing, or the span. So let's do 48 just for this example. And then I have a couple of things to do here. So as you see, it will give me the max span that I can use with this project. Also, it will give me the reactions, the uplift, the downforce, and the shear. But also, if this is like too overwhelmed for you, you can do it like not expose or expose, depends if which roof zone you wanna show. So as you see, I have I can actually increase my span in this situation. So expose, I have 89, 84, 70. That's my max span. So let's do 72 just to optimize my material. Okay, so it says the selected attachment spacing exceeds the loads for the highlighted roof zones. It says that zone 3, I cannot attach on 72. So that's good. I can keep it on 72 and just be careful to not install my arrays on that zone, or I can go back and do it 48. So either way, it's perfect for this. So I'm going to click continue, and they will give me my arrays. As you see, it's the same arrays that I already designed in Aurora. So let's continue to the bill of materials section. So the first section is the results. So you're going to see the system type, the roof sections, the module performance, the quantity of modules, and the total output power. And then you're going to see my total BOM. And also, if I need to add accessories, I have that option in the bottom section. So I'm going to add my microinverter and optimized mounting kits for this. And then once everything is added on my BOM, I can save it to Aurora. And all this information is going to be saved directly in the Aurora platform. So I don't need to do anything else. Also, if I want to check my PDF, the report, I can select it here and download it. Also, I can download the BOM with Excel file or a CSV. So save to Aurora again, and I need to go back. Let's move this, return to my design. Also, before I showed you this, I would like to show my, there you go, the report. What you're gonna see on this report. So basically, um, there you go. It's in here, my scroll. Ah, let's move here, this. Ah, okay. Technical issues on this. There you go. Okay, so this is my K2 quote report. As you see, the first one, it's you're gonna see the client, the name of the client. In this case, I didn't add anyone, but you can add your client name here. The author, it's K2 Systems, and the issue date as well. The next information that you're gonna see here is the product type, the mounting solution that you selected. In this case, is Crossrail. Something that I would like to mention is the mini rail. It will be added in this platform as well. So it's coming soon. Roof covering, composite shingle, module details. All the module details will be showing in this part, the results. This information is the same information as we see on the last section of the K2 code. All the BOM, the total cost, and the project details for the design parameters. They're gonna pop out in this section, engineer results, and that's it. And if you have any questions or if you have problems about on K2 code, you can contact us directly to base us at k2-systems.com, or you can call us directly. So this is the PDF that you're going to have once you finish your project. And let's go back to, hold on. Let's go back to Aurora. There you go. So if you want to download the same information in Aurora, so you can go directly to your project again, go straight to documents option, and you can download the same PDF or the same report, just saying that you forget to do it in the K2 Code Tool platform. You can do it in here. So download the racking information, and it will be the same report. So yeah, so basically that's all from K2, and this is the whole integration. I'm gonna pass the microphone to you. You wanna?
Yeah, absolutely. Well, Luz, that was amazing. That was amazing. Yeah, and thank you for walking the audience through that demonstration. And just to recap, as you can see, you could go into Aurora, you can go to the design mode solution, and then from the design mode solution, once you've built out your solar system, you can go to the component section and launch the rack-in integration. Awesome. That is amazing. And again, the best part about this is that you could get a bill of materials imported directly back into Aurora, but you could also generate it within the iframe or the K2 Rack-in app as well. I think what's really interesting about this integration, it allows us to figure out what's next, right? So with a bill of materials, when you have that document in your hand, the logical or next step in that solar design process or solar implementation process is to go to like your distributor, or you submit those bill of materials for like a plan set service and whoever you work with. I'd say a plug here is that Aurora also has a plan set solution, and we also have a service. So this bill of materials that you generate, you can actually use this bill of materials and you could import it to our intake form, and our plan set service team will not only generate the plan set, but they would also generate the plan set with the K2 racking material. So it's a one-stop shop, and it's a way for you to continuously like live in Aurora. And that was one of the beauty about this partnership, because K2 enables our teams or the installers to be able to just continuously provide value to Aurora, which ultimately creates a mission critical system for the industry. And we thank K2 so much for this, because now the next steps is to just continuously drive volume, not just to Aurora, but also to K2 as well. So those were some of the strategic benefits that we wanted to bring in here. And if you have any questions and want to learn more, we're happy to answer these questions live. But also, feel free to go to aurorasolar.com, click on partners. K2 is in our partner directory. So feel free to go in there and learn more, not just about K2, but Aurora as well. So you can get access to the solution, have our AEs give you a demo of Aurora, but also with the K2 integration as well. So happy to answer any questions live. Again, Luz, this was an amazing demonstration. And yeah, I hope we get a lot of people coming to both Aurora and K2. Awesome.